To get a loan from Jazzcash new account, start by ensuring you have a Jazzcash mobile account, as this is a prerequisite for loan eligibility. If you do not have one, register for a new account by dialing the Jazzcash helpline or visiting the nearest Jazz franchise. Next, make sure your account is active and has been in use for a while, as loan eligibility often depends on the account's usage history. Check your account balance and transaction history to confirm this information. Jazzcash offers a loan product called Jazzcash Loan, which provides instant loans to eligible customers. To apply for the loan, dial the Jazzcash USSD code and follow the menu prompts to the loan section. Select the loan option and choose the desired loan amount and repayment period. You will then receive a confirmation message with the loan terms and conditions, including the interest rate and repayment schedule. Review these terms carefully before accepting the loan offer. If you are satisfied with the terms, confirm your acceptance and the loan amount will be disbursed to your Jazzcash account. It is essential to note that loan eligibility and terms may vary depending on your credit history and account usage. Ensure you repay your loan on time to avoid late payment fees and negative impact on your credit score. Additionally, be aware of the interest rates and fees associated with the loan, and only borrow what you can afford to repay. By following these steps and using the loan responsibly, you can access the funds you need and manage your finances effectively with Jazzcash.